It's Monday, guys. Today we came to the office, did some script writing. Now I'm getting to find some lunch. नीचे मुझे कुछ मिला नहीं था खाने का, so I've come to Domino's. The breakfast I got for myself, dosa and chutney. So it's आज क्या है? Tuesday है ना? It's Tuesday today और आज हम जा रहे हैं सर के घर क्योंकि एक फंक्शन है करेंगे.
देख रही थी रीसेंट सर्च स्पॉटिफाई मेरा मूड स्विंग देखी. ये देख सैयारा
और क्या? Terrace is beautiful.
सोफा वगैरह रखे हैं क्लब हाउस.
सर के घर हमने लंच कर लिया है. एवरीबडी फ्रॉम द ऑफिस इज एक्सप्लोरिंग अराउंड. हम तो यहीं रहते हैं पास में, सो वी नो ऑल ऑफ इट्स ऑलरेडी. राइट आप showed them our house. Dark fantasy as our desert today. From office and बारिश हो रही थी तो we came to buy some pakoras. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, 24th of July and I'm going to office. It's Friday today, guys. It's almost lunchtime.
And like you can trust us, right? You can of course trust us. And that is why you should not trust any plots or ventures or projects which are not HMDA and RERA approved.
Today we shot quite a few reels, relatable reels for our YouTube shorts and stuff. We'll continue doing that tomorrow as well. Came back from office and made myself yippee for snacks. Let's have it. It's raining. Also, it's getting chilly at nights, you know. Going to get my dinner. Got this myself as dinner. This one Java ki roti. I don't know how it tastes. I'm eating for the first time. That is why I only got one. And this is some sabji. I don't know the name, but I tasted it there. It was pretty decent. Let's have our dinner. Something is Saturday today. Of course, lunch रहने जा रहे हैं नीचे. Guys, it's almost 7:30. Just 10 minutes back. Came from office. Had to work till late today because voiceovers करने थे. And हर चीज़ में टाइम तो लगता ही है. Did more than 10 voiceovers, finished that work and came back. Now getting to get some groceries and we'll make then dinner. Then tomorrow is Sunday. Let's see how Sunday goes tomorrow. You know, real life struggles. But these vegetables. So I just came home after half an hour. मंडी में पूरा राउंड मारने के बाद and seeing what vegetables I can get, what I can make easily at home. Gonna give you a quick haul, mini haul, what I got for grocery and vegetables. Starting off from vegetables, I got carrots, this hari mirch, cucumber, onions, then capsicum, tomatoes, surf ka pouch. And for this, I already have macaroni with me. I've got soya chunk as well as noodles. And for the masalas, I've got Maggi masala, ketchup, turmeric powder, pasta masala, and then there's pepper powder also. That's it. Because it's Saturday and I'm shooting a little bit more, kal Sunday, so I'll tell you what I did. After changing and all, I put all the vegetables in a bowl just to get them washed. उसके बाद मैंने भिगोए कपड़े, कल भी धोए थे और वॉशिंग मशीन है नहीं तो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके धोते हैं। शो यू इस बकेट में, देन देयर इज अनदर बकेट। इसको भिगोने के बाद आई वेंट इन द किचन, cut vegetables for them and then we'll cook dinner. Here is all the preparation for desi style noodles. Let's make it and show you the final result. So this is how my noodles have come out. They are pretty good desi style noodles. Let's have it. So कल सैटरडे के डिनर के बाद मैंने सारे कपड़े छाल के धो के सुखा दिए थे स्टैंड पे और अब ऑलमोस्ट सूख चुके हैं। देन किचन को पूरा क्लीन करके सेट कर दिया था। वॉश्ड ऑल द यूटेंसिल्स और कर दिया था। देन फ्रिज में वेजिटेबल्स भी अरेंज कर दी थी। And now today is Sunday morning. I'm making tea for myself. पहले तो 2 घंटे तक लाइट ही नहीं आ रही थी। मैंने आप 9 बजे एक वीडियो थी एंड 11 साढ़े 11 तक लाइट नहीं आई, अब आई है। एंड I'll make tea, have something with it, and then we'll see what we'll do on this Sunday. There was some noodles left last night, so I packed it in a box. गरम करके now I'm having it with chai. Mini breakfast. I took a bath, washed my hair. Thinking of lunch, I thought let's try making egg omelette in the rice maker. I ran out of ghee, so without it I tried it. And this is not totally failed, but not successful. Somewhere in between, but I understood I can make it. I'll show you. This is how broken my bread omelette looks like, but because वो नीचे स्टिक हो गया था, I was not able to get it out, तो मुझे ऐसे स्क्रैम्बल करके निकालना पड़ा। But yeah, taste में it's okay. I'll make proper another one. Today, for somehow any reason, I didn't go out. I wanted to go out somewhere, but somehow my friend was at his cousin's place और हम कहीं नहीं जा पाए। मैं तो कहीं नहीं गई। She came back and then we cancelled our plans. मैंने दिन में Netflix binge watch किया and now it's almost gonna be 8 o'clock और I was hungry because मैंने को proper lunch नहीं किया था, proper breakfast भी नहीं किया था, कुछ खाया हुआ था। So I got myself food. I will have dinner, phone चला के, then tomorrow is Monday again, back to office. This is my food, roti, dal and aloo. Let's have dinner. Now I'm ironing my clothes for the coming week so that I don't get late for office. This is another level struggle. 2 weeks of living in this flat and today finally I came to the terrace. Sir कब से बोल रहे थे go to terrace, it feels nice. आज I have been feeling bored whole day. सब कर लिया मैंने, सारे काम कर लिए and अभी 10 भी नहीं बजे थे. So I thought let's take a walk on terrace. एंड एक्चुअली क्योंकि वेदर बहुत अच्छा है तो हवा बहुत प्लेजेंट है एंड द व्यू इज़ ऑल्सो क्वाइट डिसेंट। आई विल शो यू।